Hey guys, I'm Max and today we're going to review this little fella, Cole's Car Polybag. This set consists of 39 pieces, retails for 4 or 5 euros or dollars, depending on where you find it. As a polybag, it isn't available directly on LEGO stores, nor on LEGO's website, but at chosen retailers. I've met with different prices in different stores, both online and stationary, but it's always around 4 or 5 euros or dollars. By the fandom, it was jokingly nicknamed the car because of its size and also people's memories of having the original version from 2012. The car itself is simple. It has two blades that surround the driver, who has the space to be placed with an armor piece. So it's good. The wheels are mounted on this, let's call it F1 axles, which makes the car wider. The wheels of the car are made of two parts, though I would prefer rims to be integrated with tires, like the ones found in the Speed Champions theme. In the back, there is a small spoiler and air intakes placed between it and the driver. Front is, I think, the most boring side of this car, because it's only this golden slope piece and nothing else. This is also currently the cheapest way to get any of the 15th anniversary Ninjago minifigures. Cole and Jay are the most controversial ones from the line, because the original silver armor was replaced with gold ones. And in Cole's case, it's a big problem, I think. Gold perfectly matches Cole's main black suit. But let's see how it looks compared to the original from 2012. I personally don't have it anymore, but I used to have it as a kid. The old one looks simply bad compared to the new one, because just look at it. It gives more of a vibe of a go-kart than a car. It only shows how much LEGO expanded its parts portfolio during these 14 years. Let's compare it to the previous polybags from Dragon's Rising era. The polybags from the recent years, if they only came with a minifigure, there were always two of them. Here we only get one, but we also got one in the original. Also, there is no villain fraction for the 15th anniversary legacy sets. Also, it has less pieces than polybags like Aaron vs Draconian Battle from 2025, which had 48 pieces, 9 more, as well as Kai vs Raptor polybag from 2023, which had 47 pieces, 8 more. Though I still don't think it's a bad deal. Nowadays, we get a magazine with only one minifigure and nothing else for more. I'm gonna say I'm generally a fan of polybags because you get so much for so little, and in such a compact size you can build it actually anywhere. Even if you're on a train, maybe not in public transportation in the city, but on the train, on the plane, anywhere basically, and just carry it in your bag whenever and wherever you want. I love polybags. So yeah, this is Cole's Ninja car, and that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me. See you the next time. Peace. Subscribe for more.